how to download Among Us on PC for free. So if you want to download Among Us on PC for free, then what you need to do is first open up a browser. Once you open up your browser, you just need to simply go with the search and search for BlueStacks. And once you search for it, you just need to simply go with the first option, and then you need to click on download, and you need to download the BlueStacks. Once you've downloaded BlueStacks, then you'll be able to download Among Us. So first, simply install the BlueStacks. Once you've installed, you just need to simply open the BlueStacks or launch your BlueStacks application. It might take some time, so just wait for a few seconds. Here, you just need to simply go with the search, and under search, you need to search for Among Us. Once you've searched, you just need to simply click on it, and here you will have it, right? So you will have an install option right here. But if you don't have that, you can simply go with install from Google Play, click on that option, and it will take you to the app player from where you will be able to download Among Us. And once it takes you to the Google Play, you'll be able to install the application by just simply clicking on install, which is here on the right side. So that's how you can download Among Us on your PC for free. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.